Hi everyone and welcome back. Welcome to the third module. So we have already discussed session-based, cookie-based and token-based authentication. Now it's time to talk about OAuth, OIDC, SSO, SAML and all these advanced topics for authentication. So in this module, our focus will be on OAuth, what is OAuth, why we need it, how it works, what are the different building blocks, how OAuth pieces comes together, what are different vendors of OAuth, and how can we implement OAuth flow using simple Express app, NestJS app, like I want to do login with the Google, GitHub, and what are different tools and the different vendors are available using which you can implement OAuth flow in your web app, mobile app. Okay, so it is going to be lots of content in this particular module because we are focusing on OAuth. That is really very nice concept. I mean, you need to understand each and every part of OAuth, how it works, what are the different OAuth flows, machine to machine, PKCE, authorization grant, implicit grant, all these different flows. So let's dive into OAuth, how it works, why we need it, what are different flows, and what type of applications can use OAuth.